Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. Friends, in this video we will discuss about Global Undergraduate Program in USA for Pakistani students. This is fully funded scholarship program for undergraduate students. We will discuss in details requirements and what amount they offer to study there. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click this bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. Promoting mutual understanding through exchange. This is an undergraduate exchange program called Ugrad, Global Undergraduate Program. Currently, it's open and its deadline is September 21st, 2022 this year. An overview: in 2010, the Global Undergraduate Exchange Program, also said Pakistan Global Ugrad, was launched by the Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs of the United States Department of State. The program in Pakistan is administered by the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan and in the United States by the International Research and Exchange Board, IREX. This is fully funded program for undergraduate students who are studying in Pakistan. The Global Ugrad program is designed to award undergraduate Pakistani students enrolled at a university in the Pakistan. The Global Ugrad Pakistan program offers cultural academic exchange through a non-degree program for a semester at a university in the United States of America. Applicants of this program are required to be in either their 14th or 15th years of formal education. For example, if you are doing your undergraduate degree, you are in first year or second year, you can easily apply for this program. This is one semester exchange program and this is fully funded. A student enrolled in either a 4-year bachelor's degree program or a 2-year bachelor's program are eligible to apply for this program. And the maximum age required for this program is 25 years old. A student should not be more than 25 years in the age. In tentative announcement up to the September, duration 1 semester, approximately half attend in fall and other half in spring. And grantees start studies fall next year. For example, if you will apply, then after it you will be shortlisted or admitted by any university, then you have to start this program in next year 2023. The next point is eligibility criteria. You can see here, you must be Pakistani citizen, 24 years or younger, not more than 25 years, currently enrolled in a college or university and committed to returning to their home universities following the completion of the program. Obviously, after completing your exchange program 1 semester, you have to return back to home country to complete your degree. Applicants are required to submit current, most recent and old transcript with the application. For example, if you are undergraduate student, then you have to provide up to your semester results and previous FSC intermediate and matriculation results. And who are the ineligible, they cannot apply: dual US Pakistani nationals or US permanent residents, those who have a parent or a spouse who is a US citizen, permanent US resident, or has a pending US immigration, they cannot apply. Students in their final year of university also cannot apply for this program. Now, the step is how to apply. The Global Ugrad Pakistan program is advertised every year within September to October. Applications form is required to be submitted online, or supporting documents such as photocopies of transcripts, including an explanation of grading scale of university issuing the degree, or to be attached to the online application before submission. All scanned copies of your university attested transcripts must be uploaded online, including the most recent transcript. Only selected students will be required to provide reference letters and no objection certificate (NOC) from their current academic institution. For example, one student is selected for this program. After selection, he has to provide reference letters and NOC, no objection certificate, from their institute. There are some important questions. For whom is this program intended? For example, if you have any question in your mind, then you can easily find answer of your question from these FAQs, frequently asked questions. All questions are there. How does the selection process work? In round 1, all applications will be screened by United States education staff for completeness and minimum qualifications, and then round 2, complete applications that meet the minimum qualifications will be evaluated. In round 3, in-person interviews of shortlisted applicants. In round 4, final candidates and alternates will be selected in April up to the May, and in final stage on round 5, approval is given by the higher authorities in the United States. So like this they select the students, and after selection there are some questions. Will I need to be submit any additional document if I become a finalist? Yes. Can I defer my grant to the following academic year? Yes. So all these are the requirements. Here for applying, you have to click here. You can see the green button, start application. When you will click here, then you will be forwarded on the official page of to this USEFA. So continue. After continuing this, you will be on the official and login portal of this page, and you have to register first and then start your application. So all these are the requirement about the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan, Ugrad undergraduate program. If you have any further question about that, you may ask in comment box, or you can contact me directly on Telegram group. So that's it in this video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.